This is a dream that I've been having for quite some time, to really create an event where we bring in customers and industrial influencer in the additive industry to one point, to Sandviken, to Sweden, to where we are doing it, to really talk about the challenge that we have and really get people's involvement. And I think by doing an event like this, we're bringing key players from all around the world into one meeting here in Högbo.
And it's so nice to hear Siemens and Sandvik, that are in the front of industrialization of metal additive manufacturing in Sweden, are thinking that we could speed up this by collaboration. Everyone is working daily with metal additive manufacturing, so all the discussions could start on a really high level.
The most important key for this conference is actually the meeting of a lot of the people from industry, especially when the two big players in additive manufacturing like Siemens and Sandvik are host for this conference.
I truly believe that the industry is still, we all know, is still very young, but that cooperation is the way forward in a young industry. Instead of talking about where we compete, because some of us will compete within some spaces going forward, that's fine. But now I think the more we cooperate, the more we can together grow the industry, the AM industry, which and everybody will benefit from that.
And listen to them and what were their thoughts and ideas and obstacles, and also how they think about it going forward.
The other thing that is really to get that feedback. As a machine supplier, we're really keen to understand the needs of manufacturing users. So to hear from companies like Sandvik and Siemens and some of the other participants about their needs.
Well, there's a lot of issues we need to resolve. A lot of them are technical, and to my mind, they're the easy ones. We need more materials. We need better surface finish, better metallurgical properties. That's all, call it, known problems that the engineers will solve over the next few years. To me, the critical one from my point of view, and this is one of the areas I'll be talking about, is the need for design for additive manufacturing.
If we don't get that right, then the business cases aren't going to work and the growth won't happen. The other sort of key factor is if you get the design right, then the part costs come down too.
To my mind, additive manufacturing is hard work. And it's one of those things, there's a lot of issues we need to resolve, and we can't do it on our own. So to me, the key takeaway is collaboration. We need to have all the companies, all the universities working together to solve all these problems in the best possible way. And that's what's going to be the key to the industrialization of additive manufacturing.
And also I like the breakout sessions a lot. I was at the one with different printing techniques. Also listening to the presentation by Keith, it was very interesting, because my background is a metallurgist, and also you suddenly realize that all the advantages you can have by being able to design, not for the process, but absolutely being able to think about the whole value chain and even go back and design the powders.
I think it is super important that we collaborate with different key stakeholders within this ecosystem of additive. We really need together jointly move forward to get this to become a part of our industry for the future.